Hello, today we will guide you through how to withdraw money from Whop to PayPal. To begin, open your Whop dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your account, business settings, and payment options. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into the correct account before continuing. Starting from the dashboard is important because all payout and payment-related settings are managed from there. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains the key account controls you will need to connect and manage where your money is sent. If you do not immediately see it, take a moment to scan the left-hand side menu carefully, since dashboard layouts can sometimes feel crowded depending on your screen size. After opening Settings, click on Payments. This is where Whop stores the options related to receiving funds, payout methods, and payment setup. Entering the Payments section is the step that takes you from general account preferences into the area specifically designed for withdrawals and financial connections. Inside the Payments page, find the PayPal option and click on Setup. This is the action that starts the connection process between your Whop account and your PayPal account. Setting this up correctly is essential because Whop needs an active payout method in order to send your available funds. As you go through this part, make sure you are choosing the correct PayPal account that you want to use for withdrawals. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your account status or region, but in most cases you will be guided through linking or creating the necessary PayPal connection directly on screen. Read each prompt carefully and complete each field accurately to avoid delays with future withdrawals. If a confirmation step appears, be sure to finish it fully so the setup is not left incomplete. Once the process is complete, your PayPal payout method should be connected and ready to use within Whop. It is a good idea to double check that the connection shows as active in the payment section before leaving the page. That extra quick review can help prevent issues later when you are ready to transfer funds. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of setting up PayPal for withdrawing money from Whop. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process simple and easy to understand.